You got a football game going on, quarterback throws the ball to the receiver, they go up to look at it, and all of a sudden they're blinded by the light. Hi, Neil Peterson here again today from LED Lighting Supply. Today I'm going to talk about sports arena lighting and how glare and glow can provide some real problems or disadvantages in your sports application. Glare and glow. What glare really means is as players are playing, participants are getting glare in the eyes. It's glary to look at. Or glow means you're getting hot spots on the field. And hot spots means the lights that's shining down is going down like a spotlight, and you're getting dark spots in between them. So it's going to make the field look blotchy. Those are real disadvantages. And the other is a dark sky issue. I feel personally, bothers me that I like to focus on is what you don't want is the light shining up in the sky so people miles away can see the sky lit up. That's called dark sky, and we don't want that. That's light pollution. So what do we do to solve those? Well, first of all, from the glare in the spot, we use special optics on our sports lights. Here are two example products, both for glare and for glow, where the optics are designed and we run a lighting plan for you to get a uniform light on the field so you don't get those glows. And from a glare standpoint, again, as you can see here, there's special optics here to reduce that glare. You also can then use visors to reduce the glare. As you can see on this fixture, we have a visor. Those visors are also available on this fixture and all of our fixtures. The good vendors will recommend the right optics and glare guards for your fixtures so you don't have those problems. Or else you're going to end up with a blotchy field or one that everyone's going to look at and they're going to go, they're not going to be able to see. And so those become the problems. And really the use case is, you got a football game going on, quarterback throws the ball to the receiver, they go up to look at it, and all of a sudden they're blinded by the light. Same thing can happen in baseball. So making sure you're using the right fixture, optic options, and visor options to make sure that doesn't happen is you want to make sure your supplier is doing for your sports field application. So that's how it goes. But if you give us a call, contact one of our lighting specialists. They can help get a lighting plan done for your field to show you that you're going to get a nice uniform light and that with a low level of glare. So again, Neil Peterson here. Stay in the light and have a great day.